Voyager 1 is more than a spacecraft. It is a time capsule, a messenger, and now, something almost mythic, a starship that has crossed into the great unknown. Launched in 1977, when the solar system felt impossibly vast, Voyager has traveled for nearly half a century and now drifts beyond the reach of the Sun's protective bubble, out in interstellar space. For years, scientists thought its instruments would slowly fade into silence, leaving us only with the memory of its journey. Instead, it has returned something unexpected. At the very edge of the solar system, beyond the point where the solar wind meets the galactic medium, Voyager 1 has detected something astonishing: waves of plasma pulsing like a heartbeat. This shouldn't be possible. Interstellar space was assumed to be calm, a quiet gulf punctuated only by distant supernovae and weak magnetic currents. Yet Voyager's instruments recorded structured turbulence, repeating patterns, and a low, continuous hum in the plasma that fills the void. Instead of a dead silence, the spacecraft found resonance, as though the edge of the solar system is alive with hidden energy. Scientists once believed the boundary of the heliosphere, the vast bubble created by the Sun's magnetic field, was a one-way crossing, a clean line dividing us from the galaxy beyond. But the data tells a different story. The edge is not solid, not stable. It shifts, vibrates, and pulses like a membrane caught between two cosmic seas. This discovery changes everything about how we see our Sun's relationship with the galaxy. The heliosphere may not be the strong, impenetrable shield we imagine. It could be porous, its protective barrier leaking under the influence of galactic plasma and magnetic fields. If so, Earth's environment has not been as isolated as we thought. Radiation from the galaxy may have seeped through over millions of years, subtly shaping our atmosphere, our climate, even the evolution of life itself. The persistence of these plasma waves is what makes them so mysterious. Voyager 1 continues to detect a low-frequency hum, steady and unbroken, as if the cosmos itself is singing. The origin of this hum is still debated. It could be interstellar gas resonating with ancient shockwaves from long-dead stars. Or it could point to processes we do not yet understand, governed by forces more complex than any current model can explain. What makes the signals even more unsettling is their order. In physics, order implies a mechanism, a generator. But what could create such organized patterns at the edge of our solar system? One possibility is that galactic magnetic fields act like vast, invisible rivers, guiding plasma into channels that ripple with structured energy. Another is that supernova remnants still echo through the galaxy, their energy recorded by Voyager as faint yet coherent tremors in space. Whatever the cause, the spacecraft has revealed that the boundary between the Sun and the galaxy is not a wall, it is a frontier, and one that behaves more like an active, dynamic zone than an empty void. This revelation forces us to rethink not just the solar system but the galaxy itself. If every star creates a bubble like our heliosphere, then the galaxy is a sea of overlapping boundaries, colliding, merging, and influencing one another in ways we have never imagined. The edge of a star system is not just the end of its influence but a place of exchange, where information about the galaxy flows inward, and the star's presence radiates outward. Voyager has become our first witness to this frontier, showing us that cosmic borders are alive with energy. The implications go even further. If heliospheres are porous and turbulent, then the habitability of planets may depend not only on their distance from their star but also on how well that star's outer shield interacts with the galaxy. Some solar systems may be flooded with dangerous radiation, while others may rest in calmer galactic neighborhoods. This means Voyager's discovery doesn't just rewrite our understanding of our solar system. It reshapes the way we think about the potential for life across the universe. And beyond the science, there is something deeply human in this story. Voyager 1 was built in an era when computers were primitive and space exploration was still new. Yet decades later, this fragile machine is still alive, still speaking across the void, still sending back whispers from a frontier no one ever expected it to reach. It has taught us that space is not silent, not simple, and not finished revealing its secrets. The edge of the solar system is not a place where the story ends, but where a new chapter begins. The spacecraft's journey is a reminder that discovery often comes from the most unlikely places. A probe designed in the 1970s, with instruments meant to study planets, has uncovered a mystery at the edge of existence. Voyager 1's legacy is not just in the data it sends, but in the questions it raises, questions about boundaries, about the universe, about life itself. It tells us that exploration is never complete, that every frontier hides another, and that even in the silence of space, the universe still hums.